Hey guys, welcome to Medling World. We're here at, hang on, can you guess yet? That's right, Epcot. We're getting ready to go into Epcot Center here. Hey guys, we just hopped over here from Hollywood Studios. It is a hot day here in Central Florida at Disney World. It's 95 degrees currently right now, and it's just a little bit after 2. But check this out. We're going over into the World Showcase to have some lunch. We're cooling off. We're cooling off in the car wash, guys. Today it's really hot. We got some kids with us and stuff, so we decided to take the boat, save some energy with the kids because it is a hot day, and we're going to eat lunch in Japan. So guys, we're over here at Japan in the World Showcase. We are going in Teppan Edo. My young grandson, he's asleep in his stroller, and they don't allow strollers in Teppan Edo to eat. But the host here, he's gonna try to find us a table where we'll be able to bring my grandson in, and he'll be able to remain in his stroller. So just part of what Disney really does try to do for you to accommodate all your families and anything you need. Here we go, we're going inside, guys. He was able to accommodate our table. So we just ordered all our drinks, and Roberta does have a shellfish allergy, so they're gonna make sure they cook hers, you know, to the side separate, because of course, you know, Medling World, we like to have some shrimp now and then. So they started us off with a nice little salad with some ginger dressing, and I'm gonna go ahead and dig into this right now.
Volcano. No, it's volcano. Everybody watch it. Yeah.
Ready, Mommy? What is it gonna do? Make a volcano?
Yeah, you know the volcano?
Yeah.
What is it? There you go. Hey, Mickey volcano. Wow. Little oil. Little water. Make the steam coming away. Alright. Well, Mickey volcano right there, guys. Alright. There you go. Let me move that. There we go. Get some more hot spot. Wow. Hey, that's the shrimp tail. Say hello to everybody. Hello. Hey. Hello. Hello. How are you? See you later. See you. Mickey Mouse. See the Mickey?
We're gonna hit Mickey. It was great service here, and it's not just the entertainment on the hibachi, it's actually the food's really good. And the nice thing about our party is we had 8 people, including the baby, so we had our own hibachi. You know, we all had our own chef, our own area to eat. We didn't have to share that table with anybody else. So some people, you know, maybe with COVID, keep in mind, if you have a smaller party, a 3 or 4 group, you're gonna be eating with other people. And I noticed that on those type of reservations, they're putting up it's like a petition. It's like a plexiglass petition in between the 2 families that are eating. So I just want you to know that if you do come here with a smaller party, you're probably gonna be sharing that, you know, hibachi area with one chef and another family, and it is going to be divided with that plexiglass, I guess, you know, to help out with the COVID and precautions there. But overall, the hibachi here in Japan at the World Showcase, Epcot, thumbs up from Medling World. So we're gonna head over and hopefully get on a couple rides over there. And let's see what's going on next.
Welcome, welcome, welcome to our special drive-through open house. I'm Dr. Nigel Channing, Chairman of the Imagination Institute. Hello. On your tour, you'll see how the 5 human senses can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, coochie coochie coo, and taste. Taste my chicken. Can I go? Please, please, please.
No, I don't want you out of my sight.
Out of sight? Okay. Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Figment, you are not to interfere with the tour.
So, good to know. When you come off the ride, you have all this interactive stuff. This thing's pretty cool. You can play instruments. Let's see if Medling World can get something going. Oh, that looks like a tuba. I never knew I was a musician. And then you have all these other awesome things here. You got like a dance floor over there that lights up. This is pretty exciting. I didn't know this would be open. So I'm happy to see that. Kids are loving it. They're playing on all the stuff. So this is cool. You look up here, right? You got all the instruments. Look at the grandkids. They love this. Every time you jump on a square, it plays a different one. We got a flute over here. Let's see if the old Medling World can play the flute. Oh, not too bad, huh? So pretty neat. And over here's the gift shop. Let's go take a look at this, guys. Let's see if we can find some Figment plush toys and stuff. I was looking for my Figment stuff. So $35.99. Take a look. He is nice and soft though, guys. Just to give you an idea how big he is. Here's my hand. So he's a couple feet long. It's not a bad price for a Disney plush, to be honest with you. Nice. We also have some of the Monsters University stuff here. A little bit of everything. Oh, the fig ears. Figment ears. Look at those. 30 bucks. Those are nice, huh? Have a look at that. So if you want your Figment stuff, this is where you want to go. Those are cool. Some more. There's a long sleeve tee. Let's see. 35 bucks. Nice shirt. And then the old, like a tie-dye one. I like this one. This one's cool, man. 37. Pretty nice. And we got some Toy Story stuff just kind of hanging around. So a little bit of everything here. A little bit of everything here in the Figment store. So we got some rain coming down here at Epcot, which isn't unusual, but I looked at the radar and it's like this cell of showers and it's just right above Epcot, and it looks like it's for like, according to the radar now, it says 3 hours. It doesn't even move. So we're gonna hang in there a little bit and see what else we can do in the rain with the kids. If it starts to get a little miserable, maybe we'll bail, but there's a lot of inside stuff to do. You got the land, you got Finding Nemo, you got Spaceship Earth. So we have some options. There's some indoor attractions. The nice thing is about, you know, the journey into a imagination with the Figment ride. That play area I was just showing you guys, the kids are just down there playing when it's raining out. So it's cool, you know. Find your indoor activities. Rainy day at Epcot, you can still find your way indoors. So I'm gonna grab the umbrellas. I'm gonna go back in. We're gonna decide what's going on next. All right, guys, we're indoors. It's raining outside, but check out where we're going. Does anybody know? It's called Soarin'. It's a pretty cool ride. Let's go inside.
We are ready for takeoff. entire flight crew. Thanks for soaring with us.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that ride on Soarin'. That was a lot of fun. I really loved all the sensory action of that ride, kind of just suspended in the air, and the different awesome smell, I guess you could say, when you're in the different parts of the world. So cool, like when you're going through Africa with those awesome elephants and being able to smell the grass, and then in the sea and smelling the ocean. It's really a really cool ride. And so just to let you know, it is a 40-inch requirement for this ride. And if you are in a wheelchair or an electric scooter, you do have accessibility to ride up and, you know, to the end of the queue, but you do have to transport yourself into the seat. Just for your information. I hope you enjoyed that ride. I want to thank everybody for watching Medling World today at Epcot. We're heading out.
And see ya.
You heard it. I guess that's where we'll cut it tonight, guys. Thanks for everything, and thanks for your support. We appreciate it. And come here, Lucy, let's tell them.
And see ya.
See ya!